No, tonight's going to be special, I promise you. And when I go to sleep at night, I wake up blind because my dreams are so bright. I can't wait to die and come back as something else. But knowing my luck, I'll come back as myself.
First band up today, Bandicoot. Thanks boys, take it away.
It's just very exciting. It's very liberating to be able to transfer our life experiences and the changes that we're going through and put them into our music.
There's always been a great musical culture here in Swansea, and my real passion is to give kids a chance and also to encourage them to take a chance.
What I love at the moment regarding Swansea is the variety. There's all different acts. It's just spot on.
It's really exciting. There's a lot of bands playing, and it's just great that there's such a great scene here, and there's a lot of buzz around it. You know, and I think it's so important to have culture in the city and music in the city.
Find what's right.
I grew up listening to music. I think I properly got into it, found a passion for it when I started learning guitar. And then I started writing music. It was just amazing, and you know, you can express yourself. I just love it.
Making music together is so much better than making music on your own. I'd never known anything other than just singing and being, I want to be a musician. My teacher doesn't stand a chance when all I can think about is my schoolyard romance. He says, look at the next generation, what a state. I say, I wouldn't laugh if I were you, mate. And silence makes the darkest sound.